So, Justin, I have this next question for you, which says, my wife and I are both on F1 status and came to US as unmarried. We now want to update our marital status with DHS and have an Indian marriage certificate. How can we make this change while staying in the US? Is it possible without having to return to India?
I think the issue here is what's the point of updating DHS? If you guys are married and you're each on an individual F1, you're complying with the conditions of your F1, telling the government whether or not you're married for immigration purposes is immaterial. There's no real reason to have to do it. Now, if one of you seeks to become a dependent of the other on a subsequent filing, like hypothetically, let's say that one of you gets picked in the H-1B lottery and they want to file an H-1B and you get your H-1B, and the other person says, well, I want to change status to H-4 as well. In that circumstance, when you're filing the H-4, you're going to have to show how you qualify for the benefits sought. And for individuals that are spouses, you do so through the proof that the parties are married. So as long as you two are married and your marriage was recognized in the country that it occurred, and it is not an adverse marriage to public policy in the United States, USCIS is going to have no problem with it. They're going to be able to give you the benefits sought. So yeah, I mean, that would be my general opinion on it. Like there's not like a triggering mechanism where if you get married and you come back to the US, DHS isn't like, hey, why didn't you tell us you were married? Unless it's a condition to the benefit that you're seeking, it's not something that they need to be notified about.